Welcome to this vUWS Flash, featuring the voice tools that are available in vUWS. My name is Tom Bowring, and I'm the Blended Learning Staff Developer in the Central Learning and Teaching Unit. Adding voice recordings can personalise your content and feedback, make your content more portable, and in some cases allow automatic access external to your vUWS site via subscription or RSS feeds. The voice tools available in vUWS include voice authoring, voice email, voice board, voice presentation, and voice podcaster. Let's start by looking at the voice authoring tool. Voice authoring provides site instructors with a means of creating a simple audio recording directly into vUWS without needing anything else other than a microphone. Recordings are made using the basic recording controls shown here, can then be made available to students. Voice authoring is commonly used to create welcome to site messages, starting a module instructions, and word or sentence translations. Voice email allows site members to send an email with an audio recording attached to either all instructors, all students, or all site members. Emails are addressed to staff or student vUWS email addresses and cannot be addressed to anyone who is not a member of the site or to their personal email address. Emails sent via voice email have a subject and body text as per standard email, just with the addition of an attached audio file. Similarly, Voice Board has the normal features of a discussion board, but with the ability to easily add an audio recording to each post. Voice Presentation allows you to display a list of websites or any other content that can be accessed via a URL or web address in the main window on the right, with the supporting text and audio on the left. As well as linking to websites, you can link to images including PowerPoint slides as shown here by uploading the images to your site's content repository and then going to its 360-degree view, which will provide you with the image's permanent URL to use to add it to your voice presentation. The voice presentation tool could be used to recreate a lecture or run a semi-guided research activity or as a learning module. All of these can be made more interactive by allowing your students to reply to each slide. The Voice Podcaster tool can be used to release a series of audio recordings to students throughout the teaching period. The Voice Podcaster tool includes subscribe and RSS features, which students can use to have recordings automatically download to their preferred device as soon as they are available. As with all voice tools, there are no editing options for the audio, but there is an option to import audio. So you might like to consider recording and editing your audio in an external program such as Audacity or GarageBand, and then importing your finished audio into the podcaster. To add a voice tool to your vUWS site, go to the content area where you want to add the tool. Then, for voice authoring, go to the Build Content tab. And for all other voice tools, go to the Tools tab. When adding any of the voice tools to vUWS, you might like to consider restricting the maximum time for recording. This will help to ensure that students think about what they are going to say before recording and stay focused and on track. With Voice Presentation and Voice Podcaster, you will also need to consider whether or not to allow students to post and reply. For more information on using the voice tools, go to the Blackboard Collaborate On Demand Learning Centre at the address shown here, and then select the HTML user guide.